Hi there, hope everybody's well today. I want to do a quick video here to talk about how we annotate and write on a PDF. So I'm in a first grade math class, lesson 1-7, and here's my worksheet for the end of the lesson. So I'm going to click on it, opens up my PDF. Now we can write on this PDF by hitting this button here. It's the Annotate button. It's got a little pencil. So with this one, it wants us to kind of draw counters here and work out this simple addition problem. Now I can use my finger if I would like, or even better is we can use a stylus, right? So when I use the stylus, it writes and it works like that, kind of like a pencil. So you can see it's a little thin here, so what you might want to do is change the thickness, right? So you can see there I can change the thickness of that. So it looks a little better, but if I can read it, I don't mind if it's thin, right? So there, I wrote out my counters for that, right? The other thing is we have a highlighter you might want to use at some point. So that one's a highlighter there, if it'll open it. There we go. So I could highlight red up here if I needed to do that for an assignment. But let's go back and let's stick with our black pen here and let's finish this problem. 2 + 3 = 5, right? And that looks pretty nice. So now that, let's say we finished the worksheet. We just did one, but we'll pretend like we finished the whole worksheet. So what we're gonna wanna do is download this. So we wanna hit this button here, which is our download button. It's the arrow with the line under it. Click that, and then we wanna make sure we hit edited, right? So original is the blank one, so we want the edited one. So now it's gonna save it. And so we're in downloads, and I went ahead and made a math folder so I can start organizing and put all my math worksheets into one folder. You might want to do this as well. You guys, for all your classes, have a folder of math, English. That way it's just easy to keep track in case you need to go back and we need to fix something. So I'm going to save it. It already exists. So let's replace it with my new one. Right, and you guys should know how to submit the Dropbox, but I'll go ahead and do that real quick. Right, so we go to Dropbox. I'm on lesson 1-7. There's lesson 1-7. I'm gonna add a file. I'm gonna find my file. Well, I'm gonna hit add, I'm gonna hit upload. There's my my PDF I just made. Right, and you can check it if you click on it. And that way you can double check. Yep, that's the right one. Great, we got it. Let's add it. And you're ready to submit it, right? So, styluses are great, and I actually have one for each of you. If you'd like a stylus, you can stop by the board office between 8 and preferably before 4. I'll be leaving around 4 each day. And you can pick one up from me. Or you can purchase your own on Amazon. They're very cheap, and they give them out a lot, so you might have one laying around the house, but it needs that little rubber tip in order for it to pick up. So if you use like a regular something like this, it's not going to pick it up if you write on the screen. It's got to have that rubber tip. Okay. All right, thank you guys. Hopefully that is a good tutorial, and that'll save you guys money on printer paper and printer ink, which I know is not cheap. Have a good day. Thank you.